Ever wondered what makes Seville, Spain, so special? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to discover the allure of this captivating city. Seville, the vibrant capital of Andalusia, is a city like no other. It's a place where history sings from the ancient walls, where culture seeps from every cobblestone, and where the night comes alive with a vibrancy that's uniquely Sevillian. From the moment you step foot in Seville, you'll feel the pulse of its rich history. It's a city where Roman, Moorish, and Christian histories intermingle, creating a tapestry of architectural and cultural delights. The scent of orange blossoms fills the air, and the rhythm of flamenco echoes in the distance. This is also the city of bullfighting, a controversial yet enduring symbol of Spanish tradition. So, are you ready to fall in love with Seville? Stay tuned as we explore the top 10 things to do in Seville, Spain. First on our list is the Alcázar of Seville, a royal palace with a rich history. The Alcázar is a testament to centuries of diverse influences, a grand fusion of Christian and Moorish architecture. Its intricate carvings, ornate tilework, and lofty arches are a visual symphony that sings of a vibrant past. Nestled within the palace walls are the lush gardens, a verdant oasis that offers a tranquil retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. With their exotic plants, cool fountains, and sweet-scented citrus groves, these gardens are a paradise in their own right. The Alcázar isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a site of immense historical value. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it stands as an enduring symbol of Seville's multi-layered history. So, whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply a lover of beauty, the Alcázar of Seville has something to offer. It's a must-visit for any traveler. Next up, we have the Seville Cathedral, one of the largest cathedrals in the world. Towering above the city with its majestic Gothic architecture, this cathedral is an awe-inspiring sight. Each intricate detail on its facade tells a story, drawing you into its history and grandeur. The cathedral's bell tower, known as the Giralda, is a marvel in itself. Once a minaret of the old mosque on which the cathedral was built, it now stands as a symbol of the city's multicultural past. Its harmonious blend of Moorish and Renaissance styles is a sight to behold. And let's not forget the final resting place of the legendary explorer, Christopher Columbus. His tomb, a splendid piece of art, resides within the cathedral, adding yet another layer to the cathedral's rich tapestry of history. This cathedral is a testament to Seville's rich religious history. It's more than just a building. It's a journey through time, a tribute to the city's enduring spirit. For a relaxing day, consider a stroll along the Guadalquivir River. This majestic waterway offers breathtaking views that will instantly charm you. On either side, the river is bordered by serene parks, lush with local flora, ideal for a picnic or a spontaneous siesta. As you ramble along, observe the intricately designed bridges that cross the river, each with its own unique story. These architectural marvels are a testament to Seville's rich history. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely walk or a picnic. No visit to Seville would be complete without a trip to the Plaza de España. This architectural marvel is an enchanting tapestry of Spanish history and culture. The plaza, with its intricate tilework, sweeping arches, and towering pillars, is a testament to the grandeur of the Renaissance Revival style. The stunning ceramic tiles, known as azulejos, depict historical scenes from each of Spain's provinces, almost like an open-air museum. The plaza's fountains add a touch of whimsy, their waters dancing and sparkling under the Spanish sun. The largest of these, the Vicente Traver Fountain, is a sight to behold. its intricate design a testament to the craftsmanship of the era. Rowboats gently glide across the plaza's canal, the sound of oars dipping into the water providing a tranquil soundtrack to this beautiful scene. These boats offer a unique perspective of the plaza, all while you're basking in the gentle Spanish breeze. It's a great place to take photos and enjoy the Spanish sun. When in Seville, you must try the traditional Andalusian cuisine. The heart of Andalusia, Seville is a treasure trove of gastronomic delights. A rich tapestry of Arab, Jewish, and Christian influences weaves through its culinary offerings, making every meal a fascinating journey of flavors. Start with gazpacho, a chilled tomato-based soup that's both refreshing and vibrant. It's a staple during Seville's sweltering summers and an absolute must-try. Next, delve into the world of tapas. These small plates are a cornerstone of Andalusian culture, and Seville's tapas bars are legendary. From patatas bravas to gambas al ajillo, the variety is endless. Then, there's paella, a saffron-infused rice dish brimming with seafood, chicken, and vegetables. While it originates from Valencia, Seville's version is equally captivating. For a truly immersive experience, head to local favorites like Bodega Santa Cruz or El Rinconcillo, where the authenticity of the dishes is matched only by the warmth of the hospitality. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Experience the soul of Seville by attending a flamenco show. This passionate and fiery dance is a vibrant expression of Andalusian culture, rooted deeply in the history of the region. Flamenco originated in the 19th century, born from a fusion of Romani, Moorish, and Jewish influences. Throughout the years, it has evolved into a mesmerizing spectacle of rhythm, movement, and emotion. Seville is teeming with flamenco venues, each with its own unique charm. Some of the most popular include the Casa de la Memoria, a charming venue dedicated to preserving the purity of flamenco, and the Tablao El Arenal, known for its intense performances. For a more intimate experience, consider the Casa del Flamenco, where the close quarters bring you right into the heart of the performance. Whether you're a seasoned flamenco aficionado or a curious newcomer, the energy, passion, and skill of the performers will leave you spellbound. It's a night of music and dance you won't forget. There's so much more to Seville than what we've covered. As we wrap up this journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the beauty and vitality of this Andalusian gem. From the stunning Alcázar, a testament to centuries of history and culture, to the awe-inspiring Seville Cathedral, the world's largest Gothic cathedral that makes you feel you've stepped back in time. We've walked along the peaceful Guadalquivir River, feeling the cool breeze on our faces, and imagined ourselves in the grandeur of the Plaza de España, a true masterpiece of Renaissance revival and Moorish revival styles. And let's not forget the flavors of the traditional Andalusian cuisine that tantalized our taste buds. The tapas, the gazpacho, the paella, a gastronomic adventure that took us straight to the heart of Spanish culture. And the flamenco show, an emotional journey that pulsated with the rhythm of life, leaving us with a deeper appreciation for this expressive art form. But remember, this is just a glimpse. Seville is a city that needs to be lived, not just visited. It's a place where every corner tells a story, every stone sings a song of the past, and every sunset paints the sky with new hues of adventure. So, are you ready to explore Seville? It's a city that promises a memorable travel experience.